Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious egg, ham, and cheese French toast sandwich. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients to make our delicious egg, ham, and cheese French toast sandwich, we have 3 nice slices of smoked ham, 3 slices of American cheese, and an Italian bread that we're going to cut off some nice slices, and 1 large egg that we're going to beat up. Okay, let's put some of this aside. And let's take our bread and we'll slice off 2 nice slices, just like this. There's 1. Okay, there's 2. We'll put this aside. Alright, there's our bread all sliced up. Now it's about 3/4 of an inch thick. Nice. Beautiful. Put them aside for a minute. Let me clean up my board a little bit here. And we're going to bring in our egg. And we're going to season our egg with a little bit of salt to taste, some pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, and some smoked paprika. That'll give it that smoky flavor and our ham smoky, right? So it should taste good together. And we're going to put about a teaspoon of regular milk in there. Okay, now let's beat that up, right guys? Okay. Alright guys, now all we have to do is start cooking. So let's get to it and we'll make our delicious egg, ham, and cheese French toast sandwich. Alright, and today we're using our large cast iron skillet and we're going to set our burner to medium. Now we're going to put about a teaspoon of butter in the pan. Spread our butter around a little bit there. Okay. Now we're going to take our egg mixture and we're going to beat that up a little more. Okay. I'm going to take our bread and we're going to soak it up in there. Flip it over, soak it up again. Just like that. And we're going to put that right in there, just like this. And we're going to do the same to the other one. Now it helps to have like stale bread because it don't get all mushy, right? And we're going to try to soak all that up. Okay, we got it. Alright, put that in there. Alright, what I like to do is sprinkle them with a little parsley flakes. Makes them look nice, plus they taste good. Okay, let's flip them over and see how we're doing. Boy, that looks good. Okay, they're looking good. Now we're going to go ahead and take a piece of our cheese. And we're going to break it in half. We're going to put it right down here, just like this. And we're going to take a nice slice of our ham. And put it right on there. Another slice of cheese, and we're going to break that in half. We're going to take another slice of our ham, yep. Put that right on top of there, just like that. We're going to take a half of our slice of cheese this time. We're going to put that on there. And this time we're going to take our slice of ham, we're going to fold it in half this way. Put it right on top. And the rest of our cheese. Now I like to add a little pepper. And a tiny bit of garlic powder. And a little bit of onion powder on there. And because we have smoked ham, smoked paprika. Put some of that on there. That makes it taste really good, guys. And we'll take our toast, put it right up on top of there, just like that. That's beautiful. All right, let's get this in the middle. Put a little more parsley flakes on there. Nice. Push down on that. Get everything nice and hot. And let's go ahead and flip this over. See how we're doing. Boy, is that looking nice. That French toast is toasted perfectly. It's not mushy. It's done all the way through. Alright guys, our egg, ham, and cheese French toast is done. So let's shut off our burner. And let's get that out of there. Okay, let's get under there. And we'll put that right on a cutting board. Look at that sandwich, guys. Boy, is that gonna be a beautiful breakfast right there. Alright guys, I can't wait to have a bite of this, so let's go ahead and have a taste. Okay guys, here it is, our delicious looking egg, ham, and cheese French toast sandwich. Look at that guys, don't that look good? Boy, does that look tasty. And it smells wonderful. Boy, does this make a delicious breakfast. You're going to enjoy these. Just go ahead and make them this way because I have a feeling this is going to taste good. All right, let's cut this in half and see how it tastes. Boy, what a nice sandwich, guys. Let's pick it up and see how we did. Look at that, guys. Look at that French toast with that cheese and ham in there. Wow. Okay, let me just go ahead and have a bite because I can't wait any longer. All right, let me have a taste. Oh boy, guys, is that tasty. You're going to love these, and they're quick and easy to make. And if you have guests over, you can make 3 or 4 of these like nothing flat. All right, guys, that is really good and a really nice breakfast. Let me put it down here where you can see it. See the other one? All right, guys, since we're having this for a really nice breakfast, a nice large pot of coffee would go good with this, don't you think? It sure sounds good to me. Yep, I gotta have another little taste. Mmm, are they good? Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Mmm, delicious egg, ham, and cheese French toast sandwich. That's what's for breakfast today. And that really does sound good. Okay, I gotta have another bite. Look at that sandwich. Mmm, are they good?